Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the new Manus AI Projects update. This feature is designed to help save time and streamline workflows for both individuals and teams. If you handle recurring tasks, collaboration, or structured processes, this update can be a major productivity boost for you. Projects allow you to set up your workflow once and use it forever. You define master instructions, upload templates, brand guidelines, and key files, and every new session automatically inherits all of these new resources. No more starting from scratch every day. Setting up a project is simple. Name your project, add your master instructions like write in a professional tone, follow brand guidelines and use provided template, and upload your knowledge base files. Once set, every session inherits all instructions and files automatically. Your knowledge base stores templates, SOPs, brand guides, and key documents. Every session inside the project instantly accesses these files. You never have to re-upload anything, saving hours of repetitive setup. Collaboration is also improved. Invite team members to the project and they inherit all instructions, files, and context automatically. No more setting up sessions individually or repeating instructions. They can start working immediately. Projects work across teams and personal workflows. Content marketing teams can standardize article creation. Client onboarding teams can use ready-to-go forms and SOPs. Research teams maintain consistent data frameworks. Even personal tasks like study helpers or meal planning can benefit. To get the most out of projects, keep master instructions concise, start with essential files, maintain consistent file naming, and define roles and permissions for team members. The biggest advantages: eliminate repetitive setup, maintain team consistency, and scale workflows instantly. Projects turn setup time into productive time, giving your team instant access to everything they need. Final verdict: Manus AI Projects is a true productivity upgrade for anyone managing recurring tasks or collaborating on team workflows. Set it up once and save hours every week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates and productivity tips, Howard's how-tos.